Hello everyone, today I discuss this question. This question is what? Tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. This question I take from NCERT class 10 book, exercise 8.4, question number 5, number 3 question, this one. So see, this question, how can we prove? So see, to prove that this one is equal to this one, how can you prove this one? See, first I take their left hand side. Left hand side is tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. So in your book also given one hint is what? That you convert your left hand side to sin theta and cos theta. So I convert this this left hand side every term sin theta and cos theta. So tan theta, in place of tan theta I write sin theta by cos theta, because this one is a formula. Tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. This one is a formula. So similarly, 1 minus cot theta, in place of cot theta I write cos theta by sin theta. This one also a formula. Cot theta is equal to cos theta divided by sin theta. This one also a formula. So see, next you can see this numerator. Next step I write the numerator is same, sin theta by cos theta, and denominator I take their LCM. So 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. So their LCM is sin theta. So see, this one is sin theta coming, and there 1 into sin theta, 1 into sin theta is sin theta minus cos theta, plus this one their numerator also same, cos theta divided by sin theta, and their denominator also I take the LCM. So their LCM is what? 1 minus sin theta by cos theta, their LCM is cos theta. So 1 into cos theta minus this one is sin theta. So after then, next step what you can do, this is the numerator, sin theta by cos theta, this one sin theta by cos theta, divide this denominator, so divide divide their into coming, so their denominator is taking their reciprocal, sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta into sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta. So I take their reciprocal. So this way plus cos theta by sin theta, this one is cos theta by sin theta, in divide they are coming into, again take their reciprocal. So reciprocal means numerator is writing in denominator, denominator writing is numerator. So cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta is coming in here, and this one is cos theta is coming into numerator. So next step, sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta, again cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. So again cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, again sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta coming. So there what you can do, so there I take the minus is taking common. Why taking common? Because this one is sin theta minus cos theta, so I make this term also same, so I taking the negative sign is common, so minus taking common, so this one is positive term plus cos theta, this one also making minus cos theta, this minus sin theta, so minus is coming plus sin theta. So after then see sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta, this term is not changing. After then plus minus minus, in cos square theta sin theta into, so their positive term I write first, after then write negative term sin theta minus cos theta. Again their minus how can come in? This plus and minus, multiply plus minus minus. Okay. So after then from this term I taking common sin theta minus cos theta from denominator. So from the when I taking common from denominator sin theta minus cos theta, the numerator is what coming? That is don't coming any common term. So this one is 1. So after then is what left? Sin square theta by cos theta minus cos square theta by sin theta. So next see 1 by sin theta minus cos theta. After then this one is there also I taking LCM. So cos theta into sin theta. So taking cos theta into sin theta is the LCM. So there cos theta cancel, sin theta left. So this sin theta is multiplied with the numerator. So sin square theta into sin theta minus there sin theta cancel. So cos theta is multiplied with this one. So cos square theta into cos theta. So after then 1 by sin theta minus cos theta into, so sin square theta into sin theta sin cube theta minus cos square theta into cos theta cos cube theta divided by this one also same cos theta into sin theta. So after you see this side, so there see 1 by sin theta minus cos theta, this one is 1 by sin theta minus cos theta, so there also write 1 by sin theta minus cos theta. After you see this numerator sin cube theta minus cos cube theta, there we can using a formula. What formula we can using? So see, I using the formula, this formula, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, because this one is the form of a cube minus b cube form, yes or not? So see, suppose I take a equal to sin theta, b equal to cos theta, then there is what writing? There is sin cube theta minus cos cube theta. So sin theta means a, so this one is a cube, minus cos theta is equal to b, so this one is b cube. A cube minus b cube is equal to what? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So in place of a writing sin theta minus b place I write cos theta, a square sin square theta plus a into b sin theta into cos theta. In place of b I write cos theta, so plus b square, in place of b square I write cos square theta. So this one I plot in here. In here I plotting. See. Yes or not? In place of their place. So after then you see this sin theta and cos theta, this term and this term is cancelling. So after then is what left? Sin square theta plus sin theta into cos theta plus cos square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. But see, sin square theta and cos square theta forming a formula. So I write these two terms in nearest. So sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta, right? So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. You can discuss in the first video. So plus sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. So after then you see which way dividing this term, 1 by cos theta into sin theta plus sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta sin theta. So there 1 by cos theta is equal to sec theta. So I write sec theta. 1 by sin theta is equal to cosec theta. So in that place I write cosec theta plus this and this term and this term is cancelled. So we left 1. So 1 is writing first 1 plus sec theta into cos theta. So this cosec theta. So this equal to right hand side. So prove this one. So you can prove this. I hope you everybody